Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting. Adjectives, degrees of comparison. Great! So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Look at these sentences. Raj is the angriest person in our campus. This is one of the most beautiful places in our city. They are one of our biggest customers. Bugatti Chiron is the fastest sports car in the world. The tortoise is slower than most of the animals. This butterfly is more colorful than that one. Do you see the highlighted words? They show different forms of adjectives. The positive degree is used to talk about one person or thing. The comparative degree is used to compare two persons or things. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two or to show the best or the worst. Activity. Say with me. Positive, comparative, superlative. Kind, kinder, kindest. Large, larger, largest. Angry, angrier, angriest. Excellent. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Positive, base form. Example, Charan is a kind salesman. Comparative shows comparison between two. Example, Rajat is a kinder salesman than Charan. Superlative shows the highest degree. Example, Stephen is the kindest salesman in the market. Fill-ups. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of adjectives. My book is dash than yours. Bigger. The journey to the Himalayas was a dash one. Tough. Rajat's pet dog is dash than your dog. Stronger. Can you name the dash country in the world? Biggest. I have one brother. He is dash than me. Taller. We completed the journey in the dash car. Fastest. We can form comparative and superlative degrees in 3 ways. By adding er and est for short words, examples, young, younger, youngest, tall, taller, tallest. By adding more and most for bigger words, examples, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. By changing the word completely, examples, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Practice fill-ups. Fill in the blanks with correct adjectives. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. Best. February is the dash month of the year. Shortest. Humans are dash than any other species. More intelligent. San was the name of a dash magician in a story. Wicked. He is a dash football player than me. Better. Now let's use more adjectives in sentences. Adjectives: fit, delicious, talent, cold, careful. Example sentences. The athlete is fitter than before. This pizza is the most delicious one. She is the most talented singer. Today is a colder day than yesterday. Be the most careful student in the class. Activity. Correction exercise. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the errors. This day is longer day of the year. Wrong. This is the longest day of the year. Right. This question is simple than the other one. Wrong. This question is simpler than the other one. Right. My storybooks are interesting than Charan's. Wrong. My storybooks are more interesting than Charan's. Right. The black magician was talented than the blue one. Wrong. The black magician was more talented than the blue one. Right. Stephen was the wealthier merchant in Venice. Wrong. Stephen was the wealthiest merchant in Venice. Right. Activity. Shout true if it's correct and false if it's not. This box is bigger than that one. Is it correct? True. He is the most tallest boy in the class. Correct or not? False. We only say the tallest. My cat is more playful than your cat. True. She is the beautifulest girl at the party. False. It should be the most beautiful. Today is the hottest day of the year. True. Time to revise. Today we learnt adjectives can be positive, comparative or superlative. We form them by adding ER and ES, using more or most, or by changing words. We practiced fill-ups, corrections, and true or false. Great job, kids! Today, you learned a lot about degrees of comparison in a fun way. Clap, clap! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye, kids! Thanks for watching.